Tom, the Kingwood neighborhood here has really come together to help clean up. Right here behind me, you can see some of these young kids. They're passing some food and snacks here to the utility crews who've been working to restore power to this area all day. And also, if you drive down this road here on Hamlin Road and Rudbud Lane, that's where we are right now, you can see all the debris. It goes down just a couple of blocks. One house after another have seen some sort of damage, whether it's snapped power lines, down trees, or even some damage to their home. But they said luckily no one was hurt, and the big takeaway here is that everyone will be okay, and it will take just a couple of days to clean up.
Within a minute or two. I mean, we got in the hallway and then it was coming.
With just a moment's notice.
This window was blown out. This was...
John Reynolds says around 1:30 Sunday morning, he heard a tornado warning alert, saw his neighborhood on TV, and woke up his family to take cover.
Woke my wife up, lights went out, and kind of made that snap decision. We got to get in the hallway now. And we tucked down in the hallway and just hear the boom of the tree coming down. One of our windows shattered from the wind or a tree, I'm not real sure, and it was scary. I'm not gonna lie, it was scary.
His neighbors in the Kingwood area describe a similar experience in waking up to damage to their homes, power lines, and trees snapped. Fortunately, no injuries have been reported so far.
That was the most important thing for me, is everybody was safe, and this can be fixed. We'll be good.
Roxy Bustamante, ABC 13 Eyewitness News.